Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Krissy from Events by Krissy, and I am here to tell you that COVID does not have to ruin your birthday party. What we have for you, and it is available August 1st, I am so excited, is our party in a box. So what is in our party in a box? For you. Got our tissue paper here. I'm gonna open it up. So in this one we have a mini balloon pump. We've got some balloons. In the corner there we have a garland strip, and we've got some ribbons. So you can see that in there. I'm not going to take it out. All the plastic and tissue paper is going to make a bunch of noise. We don't need all of that mess. So I'm going to show you the different sizes of balloons that we have. In our basic package that you just saw, you will get not a single one, but a few 5-inch balloons in whatever color it is that you order. This is the size of a 5-inch balloon. They're normally used just to make little clusters, so they're accents to your balloon garland. We also have our 9-inch balloons. This is a 9-inch balloon. We have them in a whole plethora of colors. You can pick and choose which ones you want. Right, all of that there. Got some orange for you. Then we have our 12-inch balloons in there. Yeah, so this is a 12-inch balloon. This is silver. We've got many shades of pink. We've got clear. What we do with the clear ones is we will put confetti in them, whatever color confetti you want for your theme. So if you order a pink and white box, we will give you pink and white 5-inch balloons to go inside. We'll show you how they're stuffed inside, or we'll give you confetti, whatever it is you prefer. Here we have more 5-inch balloons. We've got the silver, gray, 9-inch. And then here we have our 17-inch balloon. Depending on the color that you get, you may not be able to get a 17-inch balloon. You may end up with a 18-inch balloon. Not much of a difference in size, as you can tell, but still nonetheless a difference. And then we have our 24-inch balloon. It does not come with the party in the box on its own as a package, but it can be purchased as an add-on. We have them in clear. We also have them in a few other colors as well. Once their site is up on August 1st, you will be able to see and select what it is that you want. But these are great for putting in confetti. They are great for putting in mini balloons. They're great for a lot of different things, and we will show you what you can use them for. We also have some metallic balloons. So metallics, unfortunately, are only in 12-inch right now. We don't have any other ones, but we've got blue, rose gold, and gold. We did have green somewhere, but I think I may be out right now. I will have to get some more. This is the mini balloon pump here that comes with your package. It's handy. That's what it needs to do. And then we have a bunch of add-ons for you. So if you are hosting a gender reveal, we do have these garlands. We have them in, or not garlands, sorry, banners. They come in silver and gold, and all it says is boy or girl. We do have oh baby coming. It should be here hopefully before the 1st of August. Fingers crossed. Another add-on we have are these foil balloons. Not sure if you can see it. If we clear up, there you go. It says happy birthday, so it just spells out the entire word. We have it in rose gold, silver, black, and gold. And you'll see that it comes with string. That way you are able to hang it up on your wall. You can hang it up on your garland. You can hang it up anywhere you please. We also have little drum roll. We have your curtains. So we've got black. This is a pinky, rose gold, silver, and gold again. These are the most common accent colors. If there is a color that you want that you don't see, you can always leave it in the comments. I'll be sure to check it out and see if we can get them in stock for you. We just want to make COVID a little, is that a fly that just went across my screen? Rude! My goodness. Wow. So yeah, if there's a color that you want that you don't see, I know they do come in green. There are some blues. Those colors just aren't really popular. If you do want them, reach out to me in the comment section and let me know. That goes for balloons as well, or even the happy birthday banners, the boy or girl, whatever it is. If you want a different color, let me know. I'm here to accommodate you. COVID might ruin things for you, but you know, your girl has got your back. So let me know what you want. We cook it up. I'm excited. I hope you're excited too. Don't let Sister Rona ruin it, okay? Don't let Sister Rona ruin it. You'll be fine. We got your back. You can hit us up on Instagram. It is Eventsbykrissygta. Our email is eventsbykrissygta@gmail.com. Facebook, Eventsbykrissy. Oh, what just happened here? That was rude. Eventsbykrissygta. And yeah, hit us up. Let us know what you want, what you like, and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye. Cause, man, oh my gosh. How much? Ooh, I only got like 32 seconds left on this thing. Are you kidding? God, it's a lot.